Hi guys, it's Eva and in today's video I will be fixing my nails. So let's make these baby fingers look like lady fingers.
If the hair on your neck don't stand up, did I do it right? And if my phone don't buzz when the morning comes, did you spend the night?
Now taking these artificial nails, I'm going to see what fits my nail bed exactly. Now make sure that it's not too small. If it's too big, it's okay, you can file it down, but make sure it's not small because you want it to fit very perfectly on your nail bed. And once that's done, I'm going to take the nail cutter and cut the ends that will fit my nail bed, and I'm just going to give it a good shape so that it fits very perfectly and it's not loose. I'm going to do the exact same thing on all the nails. Now taking the filer, I'm just going to file down the ends that's going to fit my nail bed, and I'm also going to file down the sides of the nail because I don't like the way it looks. It looks very vampy and I don't like that. So I'm just going to file it down as much as I can. Well, you know, acrylic and gel nails are so expensive. If you get it done in a salon, you have to pay around 3K, and this is something that is so cheap. In 500 you get the whole set and you can do it at home, and you at least can get 10 uses out of these nails. You can also reuse it. I've reused these nails quite a lot of time. But also another thing of getting acrylic and gel nails done in the salon, that it's very risky, because you keep your fingers, your nails under the UV lights. It can be cancerous. You have to listen to Dr. Mike. He speaks about keeping your fingers and nails under UV lights and how harmful it is. So please listen to it. I will leave it down in the description, and I will leave it with the timestamp so that you can exactly see and really use the information, because it's very important and please don't miss out on this. So make sure. But this is something that I found, an alternative that fits perfectly, that is super cheap. Also, you can wash your dishes, cook with this. I've done all of this, so trust me, this fits very perfectly and it's not going to budge for at least 7 days. Now I will also be filing down my nail. I want my nail bed to be as rough as possible so that the nail fits very well. The texture should be very rough like a sandpaper, so that when you put the glue, the nail bed is going to, the fake nails will fit on the nails very perfect and very tight. Well, I'm not a huge fan of very long nails, so I'm just going to cut this down, but you can also keep it the way it is. So just cut it in a way, or give it a shape that you would like. Now, I don't like to use nail cutters with these nails, so I sometimes use scissors. You'll see. But this is something that is easier. Just make sure that nobody is standing in front, because it tends to fly. The pieces tends to fly here and there when you cut with the scissor. Then going in with the glue, I'm just going to put this on my nail tip. Now make sure that you're not putting too much and you're not putting too less. Then fix your nail and just press it and hold it down for 10 seconds at least. Once that's done, just leave it. And I'll be doing the same thing on my other nails as well. And once that's done, I'm again gonna cut the sides down. So I was just thinking to give it a square shape initially, but then I changed my mind. So I'm giving it a bit rounder shape. So I'm just cutting it in a way where it's almost round. Now if you're somebody who's not very good with nail cutters and giving that shape, it's okay, you can just use a filer and do it. Then taking my filer, as I said, I don't like the vampiness of these nails, the way it looks. So what I do is, once I've put my nails on my nail bed, once I've stuck it, I go again with my nail filer, and on the sides mostly I go and file it so that it looks like my nail and not those fake nails. So I tend to file it down, especially on the sides. Now once that's done, I'm just going to go straight in with my nail polish. Now this is a color that I bought from a very local shop, and I have been searching for this color for quite a long time, but I couldn't find it. But I just found this shade. If I find anything similar to this, I will put it in the description box down below. Also in the other clip, you will see that I have a gold peel off nail polish. That is something I picked from Miniso.
One more time.
But I hope you liked this and this was helpful. Please try it out and let me know what you think about this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media account, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will see you soon. Bye
More than
bye.
saying they don't say goodbye so carefully. 'Cause I'm alright.